Like we are very happy right now, bro.
Oh, bro. No, in English. In English.
In English,
We'll go to buy Misty for Nadu.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our another vlog. And today our vlog is going on in English, no?
yes.
So right now we are in Omngot River. We are going to cross the Omngot River to go Lama Bazar to buy some food like sweet, burger, bread, chips, juice, etc. And it's called a jaflong. And this side is, look at that, Doki Bazar.
And look,
Where?
very natural.
And that is the London Bazaar, and it's called a jaflong point. And this is, and that is the 0 point, more 0 point. And we are together, we are family.
Like we are very happy right now, bro.
Oh, bro. And our bro is very happy today.
Yes. Like very much.
Oh, the Noka is leave us.
Long time.
We have to wait the Noka. Oh, everybody enjoy. Everybody enjoy the Eid holiday. Yeah? All the Muslim Bhai brothers is coming in Jaflong to enjoy the Eid holiday. You can hear the music. They are enjoying the music. And we are also enjoying the place, the beautiful place of Jaflong. And it's called a 0 point. And pichone jeta dekhte pachen, it's called a London Bazaar. And this side is Lama Bazar. We are going to Lama Bazar. We have to wait the Noka. And the Noka already left us. And we have to wait. Noka is coming.
Noka.
So thank you. And this is our short vlog in English. And how was our vlog? Let's comment. No, in English. In English.
In English,
We'll go to buy Misty for Nadu.
Nadu. Okay, thank you so much. And see you for the next video. And tata, bye bye.